Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day 14. We're going to be doing day 14. I think on the main course, Angela concludes like the beginner section with like the higher lower game, and the project is like the perfect transition into the intermediate world because it requires you to manage data, dictionaries, logic, conditionals, and ASCII art all at once. But you're not using ASCII art in this one. So in the 2026 Texas market, this is not just a game. This price discovery. Industrial property values in counties like Hayes surging by 24%. Wow. And multifamily facing a wall of maturities. Investors are constantly playing higher or lower evaluations. So we're going to be comparing two massive Texas assets. One might be a data center in Dallas, the other one is a class B multi. So you have to guess which one has the higher monthly revenue. So we are going to get right into the code where we call it day. Today is day 14. Let's go. Let's go. Texas institutional higher lower. Should I call it like a game? Yeah. Game. Okay, first of all, we're going to importing random. The data set is also like Texas assets. April. We imported a random model, so we're going to do some. I didn't even know when to use the random model, so this is it's gonna be nice, you know what I'm saying? And a list. Just create a list with some dictionaries in the list. Okay, the name, the key, or the key and the value pairs. You know what I'm saying? But I'm learning this Python. I don't know how I'm not just. I should have drawn a graph, like a graph that shows exactly what the we are doing. You know what I'm saying? Let's just draw a graph. The first dictionary. Damn, that dictionary has a lot of name and keys. Is it like a key value? The values here, yeah. Key and values. So go like me and by see in my own case is by force by fire. I must learn Python. I don't know why I'm just so slow. Maybe I'm just like I've done this. This is all in my effort to make sure I learn Python. Like it's like I must learn Python. You know what I'm saying? Like there's no way it's not how we about it. Because we know how important Python is. So even if we I've been taking a course on vibe coding and like learning vibe coding and all that stuff. I just know how Python is important because it's AI and like I mean just on the you can't be saying like I'm an AI consultant, I'm an AI engineer, and then you don't know anything about code. Oh my god, but like It's like I'm setting myself up for some kind of surprise, like some, nobody expects an AI consultant to know anything about code, but like I want to be that guy at least, at least. I didn't start out like knowing, what I'm saying? I didn't start out knowing code, but I know I'm entering a tech field, that kind of thing. So I have to just get ready. So this commercial real estate is like interesting for me to like apply my vertical. You need to actually be applying a vertical in commercial real estate. So I get that one for the class A. Class A multifamily 422,000, like the revenue 120,000, 120,000. So at this point, I think this is the time where I need to just get that idea on. It's time to take care of it, like take your future in your hand. This is 9:28. It's never late. And I'm making a video, bro. Making a video. Making the 14. Don't look at that. Don't be deceived by this. No, 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 no. Don't be deceived by that. What matters is that I have done it. Because I said I wanted to do this, so just do it at once. Just do it. I'll be very proud of myself if I come back tomorrow and see my channel, like, have your you see my channel, like I say I was building a YouTube channel, and what's the YouTube channel again? The internet is seeing 200 days of code, like okay, so industrial warehouse. So then instead of me, just I'm just here, like this is you have to just lock off from the world, leave that world, there's nothing there outside, I've never built a name, so obviously nobody's respect you. The respect you think you deserve, people looking like, what the fuck is you? It's like, in Python, just be comma. That's why I guess like comma. Revenue. Like this is when to start before we start building. Yeah, I have Cloud Code. Like I paid for Cloud Code. It's not as if I'm using it. I've not made 1 naira from Cloud Code. 1 naira. So it's not even funny. So that's the thing now, because I don't want to be talking about tools. I don't want to be this guy that comes here and talks about tools. And like I don't train anyone how to use those tools and make money. I can say okay, Chat GPT. In fact, we're talking about Chat GPT because like I use Chat GPT to like make thumbnails for guys. It's crazy, bro. People are paying me some serious amount of money. This is not like a serious amount of money, but like they're paying me money. So I should using this thing to buy tools, like quality tools, the best tools in the market, at least. But I'm not saying any best tools in the market. All the tools in the market are trash. Really, I've tried Pexels. I don't know about other ones, but I've tried Pexels, and Pexels is trash, bro. ChatGPT is more creative than Pexels. I'm not trying Mid Journey. I'm not in the setup like the automation. I've seen like a kind of automation. I have a course on that can build a kind of thumbnail automation, but that feeling of thinking of the fact that you have to just go and like save, like I don't know. I need to try it. I need to try it because But then the best part is just building your own. I mean, like with the whole, cloud code automations I see online, building your own automation is ah really back up like that's the thing now. I have cloud code. I want to just know how to build it because that's everything now. Make me the cloud code I can be anyone's growth partner, you know. And then so that like in fact after this that's what I'm going to go and do next. You know what I'm saying? Because and yeah, you don't understand my own cases. See this kind of thing now. I know very well. Nobody's going to watch shit like this. Nobody's going to watch me writing codes in Python. Like, what it, people have short attention spans. They're not watching you, bro. Like, location for what? Yeah, I think it displays the string for what? Very well for what? Dallas for what? 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 So, I think that's the end of. I was supposed to come on the last one. You see how there's an error. Okay, so I just put like a string, not string, a list, a dictionary. What do they call this? Is it nested dictionary? Something like that, you know? Let me check now. Nested dictionaries. Come on, something like that, man. So, so the next thing is we're going to actually define another function called get asset. Yep. You will define a function. And what are we going to do? We are going to this one just returns random asset from the database. I just built my first database. How does it feel, bitch? Return. Now we're going to activate the random model. Random. The choice. See, it didn't turn on. Turn me on. And we got assets. So yeah, I'm finally use this shit. Listen. I feel like I'm excited just doing Python. It's really print. Should I do print here? Print. Uh, print assets. I don't know. That's supposed to be print assets. It didn't print anything. Why? Let's put it out. Let's. How many did it print? Austin. They said everything out. What kind of rubbish is that? Why did you even bring everything out like that? Um, that's the 11 part of the code, so let's read that. Ignore that one. Let's come back to that. We're going to define another function that we call check answer, where it gets the revenue of A, the revenue of B. This, I know you guys are confused. Me, I'm also confused. But this one actually just checks if the user guessed the higher revenue asset. Bro, everyone is growing a YouTube channel. Why don't you have a YouTube channel? And the worst part is I'm actually building someone's YouTube channel right now. And I don't know, it's like, let me say the best part because I'm learning. You get to see. I don't understand, like, there's some thumbnails that don't work, you know. Their videos they're not changed, but I don't think they're not even getting that much views. The way I think I need to work on those guys' shit right now because if I can be more valuable to those guys, I can be valuable to anyone. Like that's the way I think right now. They they might never pay me like some kind of crazy amount, like let's say bigger creator that is like Mr. Beast to pay me. But I become no value to them. So I think the way I get more valuable to them is also make having landing more clients. More clients that actually demand better. I always like so the more you meet people that demand better. So we create another function called play game. Okay. Revenue addition, brother. Brother. How many minutes have you spent so far in building this intermediate? 16 minutes, brother. Brothers. Oh, 16 minutes. Okay, okay, okay. Well, so the score. Mm, I'm just I decided to like do my own shit. So this is real, brother. This is real. And this guy is doing um so let's say I'm watching myself from Mars, from space. I'm watching myself. What I do in my time. We're having two wire assets. A is equals to asset B asset B is assigned to the get asset function. Well, I don't even understand what this is crazy. Interesting. So we're gonna do what? We're gonna do print of string compare a guys like us like I think I don't even know who else needs to be learning Python when you use vibe coding. You don't understand this vibe coding shit. You just tell AI what you want now, and AI is just just doing everything, doing all the do's. Even the one you didn't even send them, we just do. We suggest everything for you. Be like, yeah, calm down, me brother. You know what I'm saying? I think I will just tell some people about this. Be like, "Mm, well, this is not the time when people feel like you should just get crazy. This is a very sensitive time. There is be very, very sensitive time. What you do your time matters a lot. Okay, so well, let's see what I'm doing. Okay, you understand this? Check answer how. Let's guess three inputs. Guess what is left. The revenue A. Okay, this is a guess, and this is the revenue A and revenue and the answer. If revenue A is better, revenue A, we don't guess this first. We don't guess it. So what is on demand? I need to go back and do the whole day 1 again 200. Let's see from the main code. Okay. Guess inputs. All I have to just do in my life now is just get value, get like stack skills, stack assets. You know, you've seen AI, like then the AI very no good, like very very good. You know what I'm saying? Like be building something in AI, like it's in a particular vertical where You like someone will be like, okay, that makes sense. That kind of thing. Like, because now, at this point in life is allowing you to do what you want to do. You know that kind of thing. There come a time when life want to now throw you in its own way. Life will want to do you wetin life won't do. Anything can happen. And that's when like you be like, oh more. So now all these things we don't do now, all these crazy ideas, all these plans, all these things where you sow, you enter a different place now. Like you know that time right now you just dey waste your time. But at the end of the day, almost everybody's wasting their time. Everybody's wasting their time in one way or the other. I swear. If you invest in a relationship now, at the end of the day, bruh, the way you guys broke up, you'll be like, what the fuck, bro? That fool. Like all this sex never mean anything because if you even come to me, you enter prison, lose everything. Like so, everybody just waste like just it just depends on who is actually using their time well. Many people are using their time better than me. I've wasted my time. I wasted almost my whole life. So now I'm actually trying to like get used to the fact that oh, this is a blessing. Me now having this time alone is a big blessing. Use it and build. Or Victor, it's a very big blessing for me now. Self like use and learn sales. Try and close deals, build this reputation. At least just well, come on, bro. All I just need now is just like my my racks, my stacks go up a way. Bro, the world is mine. It was like we really started understanding this is the real game to play. Okay? In this internet age, like, apart from that, I don't get oil and gas. I don't have a girlfriend or a wife that, or anyone in my family that is connected to the bank. You know where I can get favor from the bank now is to actually really be making good money. Where they can like let's entertain you now over the go beg you say come borrow from us. That kind of thing. So this internet stuff is like I said B. Tell me why not do this. I wish I started ever since. Maybe else game. I don't be like say my chest is pain like say like let's play the game. I'm paying okay. Like this. Compare. He just asked me to compare A. Oh, see it again. Start from. Compare A asset A for towards fulfillment center. Okay, that's the last one. Okay, this is like a random shit. Compare asset A. The name. Oh, okay. He picked out the name in that particular set. I was so confused. Like, where's the description? I thought the description is in the translation of the screen. And I was say he picked out the particular, you know, yeah. I heard like, what's the higher this thing? Uh, let's say what's the higher? Who and who serve San Antonio Medical Hub and Fort Worth Fulfillment Center. Hmm. Let's say A now. Compare San Antonio Medical. Hmm. Correct. Oh, I got that one correct, Mother. Oh, how did they even do the value? How did this get okay? Oh, the revenue was higher. What was the higher monthly revenue? Yeah. So I said um I said Fort Worth makes more. Okay. So Fort Worth makes more money than San Antonio made it. Yeah. Who's the highest? Yes, AI that's about port logistics. I mean, the industrial guys make crazy money. So San Antonio Medical Hub and that's the way. Oh, I got one correct score. Correct, correct score too. Okay. So it adds like this is like a nice game because it keeps adding, and you actually like let me see like compare Houston Port against Austin Tech Village. That's be multi-family. Nah, bruv. In the ports are the big guys. Three. So let's fair one. Austin Tech Village against Houston Port. That's B now. Well, let me write A to see what I write. If wrong, final score three. Oh yeah. It's a nice game. It's a nice game. Let's see how the code is. Let's see the code. Let's see the code now. How many minutes is that, bro? 31 minutes. 32, right? Let's see the game. I like the game. Define assets. You define get assets. As for this, the only place you call get assets again. Okay, get assets here. Okay. Return dollars when database. Okay. Check answer. You don't B. You don't guess because A. Don't guess because B. Okay. That's that check answer. Okay. Mm-hmm. Because them should continue because true. Asset A is sent to get assets. Asset B is also sent to get assets. As really as yeah as a big boy. All these variables. Um, asset A. I am should continue. Ensure we don't compare. I don't understand this part. Beautiful, beautiful. What do I know is beautiful. I had to go and do check some. This is the beautiful game. Okay. So I think it's like really nice. Let's go and see. Because the game helps you really. So why this is a groovy and commercial why this is groovy and commercially lethal. The 2026 data center boom has the highest revenue. As the classical economics, private equity firms, roll of sleeves. So that was the end of the beautiful. I need to check this. Check this because I don't need to check this. Let's check it now. Okay, I think I'll check this after, like, because fuck. Okay, that was all fucked up. So, end the record.